I'm going to be helping you make a chatterbox. So I'm going to do it with a square piece of paper because most people have a rectangular piece of paper. So all you have to do firstly is make a triangle. Oh, this isn't part of the chatterbox making, but it'll help you get a square. All you need to do is fold it really well, or to make a triangle. You should have parts left of it, and you want to cut that off. So be careful where you put the creases because this has to be exactly right to get a good square. Something like this. Make sure it's a good crease, and then with scissors, don't have to be big scissors, as like I'm using. If you're young, if you're really young, you might want to get a grown-up to help you with this part. You want to make a straight line right through here, right under the triangle. Make sure the whole time it's creased up, and then you chop right down. The reason why I'm showing you with this is because most people will be using a rectangular piece of paper. You don't have to go to Hazard to find a square piece of paper for this. Next thing is you want to make a fold both ways. Now we've done that, we've already got our fold one way. Now we need to make the fold the other way. So it should have like this. Make it like this. And next, you want to fold each corner into the middle. Don't overlap at all. Because for a chatterbox, it's best when you've done no mistakes. And then once you've done that, you want to flip it over from the side you've been folding from, and then from each corner there, so it should look like this. Then you flip it over like this and put it on the ground. Then on this side here, you fold the corners in. So not the side that we just folded on. You only want to fold on the next side. So it should look something like this. Now on this side you've got this. And if you've ever watched a video like this before, they'll tell you to fold it. But here's a trick to help you. You just press on the other side. So you press on this side down. And then these flaps will come up. So you want to curve it like this. The flaps will come up. And then you put your fingers in. So you want to, it can be hard, so you might want to fold it. So I'll show you the folding one after. So you just need to press down here. And this might be hard for some people, but it's easy for some, and it's easy for some people. If it's hard for you, don't worry, I'll go over the other way. And then make sure no bits are folded, otherwise it will be bad. So you want to make sure it's not folded in any way, and it should work pretty well. Not like mine. But let me show you the other way. So you have this bit here. Now you want to take this bit and fold it like this. So these flaps absolutely stick out. Next thing is you want to put your fingers into these flaps here. And then what you want to do is put it on your chest or something. and then the flaps will flap up, and you've got your chatterbox. Hopefully not like mine. But it should be made the exact same way. I've probably just made a bad version of it. Then you do it. You can also, you should need the scissors and this for it, if you want. What you can do here is you can put a word or number on here, and then you do this. So you ask someone to pick a number or something from here. You do that. That's the number of times you need to do it. So if you've got words out here on these bits here, then what you do is say the letters out loud, and do the number of letters. Next thing is you need a number on each side, as it like 30, maybe not 100. They'll pick one of those numbers, or it can be a word as well. You pick one of those numbers, and then you do it that many times, and then you might have a message, and then they choose a number, and then you fold it out like this, and then this choose the number, look at the number and say the message, or maybe at school I would go in a timetable chatterbox. And so it says is 3 times tables. And when they chose the last thing, you would open this up and say the times table. And yeah, that's all you really have to do to make a chatterbox, and that's all. Also, you can decorate it and all sorts of stuff. And then if you want to make another one, you just do the exact same thing here. And you can make multiple chatterboxes. And yeah, that's all I really got for you today. So see ya.